welcome back to the Hammersmith DIY channel. My name is Wyatt Groff, and in today's Workshed video we're going to be talking to you about this very small delicate item here. This is what we would refer to as a furniture finial. Now this particular design, look, I've been with Hammersmith now for 25 years. We were making this design before I joined the business. That's how long we've been doing it for. But it's just a very simple little finial that you might use as a decorative end on perhaps a curtain rod, maybe on a piece of furniture. There's a variety of different purposes that people may use this particular item for, but as you can see, it's quite small. The diameter of it is roughly 39 millimeters, and the overall length you're looking roughly 70 to 80 millimeters. So it's just a decorative piece. Now we produce this particular turning on one of our Genini mini automats. And this particular lathe, as you'll see in the video to come, uses some tooling to create the profile you see here. Basically the way it operates is it starts off with a long stick of timber, almost like a sausage machine, and it's pushing the stick of timber through. It carves off the product, or carves the product I should say, then trims the end and then pushes the stick out to produce another one. So that's how the actual product is made. But let's cut to the video and you'll see the actual manufacturing process. Hopefully you enjoyed that little video seeing this finial made. As is always the case, please remember to subscribe to this channel, and also don't forget to turn on the bell notification, and that way you'll be notified when new content lands. And finally, remember to hit the like button. This is Wyatt Groff, signing off.